friends, I'm Kritika and today we will learn to use NsImmutableArray. Immutable means not changeable. Suppose once we have created any array and we want to do further modification into it, if you want to insert new object into array or we want to remove any object from array, so we will not be able to perform such kind of operations using NsImmutableArray. So for learning NsImmutableArray, first we will go to macOS, then command line tool. Next, NsArray. Next, create. Then I'll go to main.m. NsArray. I'm creating its object array1. NsArray alloc. That's for allocating memory to array alloc. Init with objects. Now I'm initializing my array with these objects. Now I'll use this array using nslog. I'm going to print the array nslog. Array1. Now I'll run the program, see what happens. Yes, here you can clearly see the output that the objects you have mentioned using NsArray, it's being displayed here. Thanks for watching this video.